How to get $300 Uber Eats coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Uber Eats coupon codes and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you coupon code. So you can go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I will be opening this one, Coupon Follow. Once you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. Now you can scroll down and check out the deals. If you're interested in any of the offer, all you have to do is click on the option of See Details. With that, you will be able to find the code. Likewise, make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. Now you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Uber Eats, and whenever you check out, you can apply this coupon code and get the discount. If you want to use this coupon code right away, click on this option of Redeem at Uber Eats. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Uber Eats. Now you can log into your account, make your order, and whenever you check out, apply this coupon code and get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers. Also, you can go through these websites. These websites will also provide you tons of coupon codes. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily get $300 Uber Eats coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.